Thank you. Good to have you
Thank
here.
you, Andres.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. At Hyundai, we have a strong belief that our past, present, and the future are all connected by a common thread called in French, le fil rouge. Our past, the design create a roadmap which shows how we became who we are today. And what we create today will help to define our future. Hyundai design roots go back to 1974 when we launched the two-door coupe concept at Geneva Motor Show, the mark in the bird of our design DNA. From its experimental, unique design, distinctive, sporty character was born. This sporty character has been embedded in Hyundai design since the beginning. The question now is, where do we go next? This morning marks the beginning of a new era for Hyundai design. I'd like to sum up this new beginning in just two words: sensuous, sportiness. This new theme for Hyundai design that reflects our goal to build beloved brand by creating vehicles with heightened emotional value. Of course, you might be wondering, what does that actually mean? Well, if a picture worth 1,000 words, we have a treat for you. Ladies and gentlemen, our very special concept car, HDC1, Le Fil Rouge. Magnificent, isn't it? This is the car, the cornerstone of Hyundai design. Now, let me tell you why. Our definition of sensuous sportiness is based on the harmonization of four key elements in design: proportion, architecture, styling, and technologies. So first thing is the proportion. Proportion is the backbone of the body. We believe it's the most important elements of all in designing a vehicle. Proportional character of the car is based on what we call the golden ratio. A long wheelbase, short overhang, the big wheel, respectful dash to axle, and a teardrop roofline that set the tone of a progressive EV profile. Now, I want to talk about architecture. We took a new approach, something what we call light architecture. The idea was to create an architecture that generates seamless look. It's so seamless that it looks as the vehicle was drawn with one single line. We also wanted to create an interior and exterior that flows smoothly into each other. The tube architecture blurs the line between two. It creates the same emotional value inside and outside of the car, while also allowing for the lightweight profile. The interior is designed to meet both the driver and passenger's needs. The front passenger seat that maximizes the comfort, even long distance trip, with more ample leg room. The driver's seat is designed to add to fun of driving. Now, styling. We want people to instantly recognize a Hyundai from long distance. To achieve this mission, our design needs distinctive ambience, harmonize the blend of layered crisp line and a pure volume that create a sensuous tension and give sexy character. Let's move to the front. The wide layered front hood that reveal the presence of the car, while parametric jewel that show next level of our very special cascading grille. It has multiple faces, one for driving with hands on the wheel, and the other for driving autonomously. Lastly, I want to talk about technology. The core design principle for Hyundai designers was to create a design that enabled a seamless experience of functionality. Inspired by aircraft ventilation, a two-way ventilation system blows the air over the curved surface of lightweight tube architecture. We extensively use the revitalized wood and high-tech fabrics, and we sculpted into exquisite sensuous form to evoke natural beauty with an emotional touch. What's more, the 21.5-inch panoramic display is suspended in a unique way to improve airflow and also add a visual space. Ladies and gentlemen, our vision in design. People around the world have different lifestyles, as well as a different usage for their cars and different aesthetic desires. There is no universal solution. In a way, no Swiss Army knife of car design. Keeping with our special theme of sensual sportiness, will give each car a spirit of its own. Our ultimate goal is beyond pure aesthetic, maybe even beyond design. We want to introduce emotional value and a desirability. We'll set the course for Hyundai to become a brand beloved by our very special customer. As you can guess now, this is only the beginning. Best is still yet to come. I hope you enjoy the show. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup and 감사합니다.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. We kindly invite you to take photos.